We're gonna go attack some geese. Accosted.
Family.
A part of this kid's family. Oh shit, car's coming.
Yeah, his mom just left, I think.
Alright, just hold on.
Okay,
let's go. Alright.
I'm gonna so surprised at that.
Alright, no. Alright, yo. Here we go.
Oh, bitch!
Wait, Chris, not yet.
Seagull? Fuck you.
Yo, get out of here, you lucky seagull.
Yo, Dad. Can I kick this to the...
No, not yet.
No, you're supposed to throw it at the... Mouse, kick it to them.
These nasty geese in the air, yo, wait up.
Oh, shit, get ready to run.
Oh, I have Chris's iPod, fail.
Yo, Chris, can I kick it? Go take the one box.
Go, Chris, go, kick it. I dare you.
You kick it.
I will. No, I have more balls.
I will.
Move, I'm trying to get the blue thing.
And if it doesn't hit any...
Shit, my thumb was... Ready?
Wow!
Go get it, Nana. You gotta go get it now. Yo, they're looking at us.
Okay.
Alright, yo.